Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account is signed into Google Pay and two-factor authentication is available. This keeps the balance view secure. Once done, confirm the app is updated and you have a stable internet connection because stale data can hide your latest balance. Open the app now. If prompted, grant basic permissions like storage or location. These help the app sync payment methods. Make sure you're using the same Google account that holds the Google Pay balance so you see the correct wallet. You'll navigate into the app UI by tapping your profile icon or menu in the top corner. That's where payment settings live. Next, choose Payments and Bank Accounts or directly open Google Pay balance if visible. This section aggregates your wallet total and linked payment methods. Once inside, scan the screen for the numeric balance and the recent transactions list. These explain why the number changed. If you need details, tap a transaction to see date, merchant, and amount so you understand every movement. You finish by refreshing the balance view to ensure it reflects the latest activity. Pull down or reopen the app to force a sync. If you want to change the amount, use Add Money or Transfer options and confirm linked bank or card details before proceeding. Finally, if the balance is missing or incorrect, update the app, clear app cache, and sign out, then sign back in. If problems persist, contact Google Pay support with transaction ID and a screenshot for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.